AirTag-inspired Google tracking device. This is a real thing?
What do you think?
No, this is not real. This is bogus, dude. You're crazy. What are you doing here to me? This is like one of those Onion-type articles.
By Yanko.
Yeah, but it's
conceptual.
it's conceptual. It's just like a fun time, right?
Yeah, someone's having fun.
Yeah, the most unfortunate name ever, G-Spot, is what they called it. You have found my G-Spot, and which is, I mean, it's novel. It's kind of, I thought for a moment it was feasible because I was like, why doesn't Google make one of these?
Yeah.
Why don't they have their own version of an AirTag type deal? I feel like they could figure that out. Maybe they are working on it. But Yanko design is obviously, it's like speculative or conceptual, as Will says. And we've covered them a number of times on the channel here. You can see that they've even introduced a case in their design, Obi Fiddler. And the case has a kind of like a tiny little lanyard on it.
Uh-huh.
Google's got everything in place. The ecosystem, the map network. Oh, yeah, never mind. The hardware chops, even a highly capable tensor chip. So why hasn't Google built a tracking device yet? This is very true. So why we don't even need Google to do it. We can do it over here on Yanko Design, and then Google can just take notes.
It's very well done.
And actually just go out and execute it. The other kind of cool thing is they've done it in different colors in this case. AirTag you can only get in white. Now maybe they're worried about the potential PR fallout that Apple has experienced every so often with the AirTags and the stalking and everything else. I mean, obviously, it's not every single use or every single application of these trackers, but Google already kind of takes some heat on the privacy front from a privacy standpoint. So you wonder if that plays into their lack of interest in this area up until now. It's either that or they're just taking their time.
Yeah.
But this webpage makes it seem like an actual product.
Right?
This is like an April Fool's type thing.
Very well done.
It's so well put together here. Look at this.
With the battery, 3D.
Yeah, you would know more than me, Will, putting something like this together. This is ready to go. Google just needs to like hit the button on it. You just need to go, okay, cool. We'll take your pre-orders.
Yeah, approved.
We'll take your pre-orders. This guy just got the job is basically what happened.
Good job.